Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about the operating system. As you know, hardware is nothing but finally design machinery. A machine is ultimately a machine only, which is always made to work. In case of computers, it is either us if we do that or some other which does it for us. This some other is nothing but our very own operating system. The primary goal of an operating system is thus to make the computer system convenient to use, and secondary goal is to use computer hardware in efficient manner. So let's start with the type of operating system. An operating system works as per instruction of the user. The way in which a user communicates with computer is called an interface. Broadly, there are two types of operating systems interfaces. First, command line interface. It is also known as CUI, character user interface. Second one, interactive operating system interfaces. In this, both GUI and touch screens comes in this category. So let's start with command line interface in CUI. A command line interface is an older operating system where user type in command using keyboard. Computers normally display a prompt on the screen where user can type the desired command. For example, it's a DOS, Unix, Linux. But Unix Linux comes in both type interface. It's also with the CUI environment and GUI environment. Both comes with. But DOS is pure CUI environment operating system. It was used in earlier. Next thing, interactive operating system interfaces. The interactive operating system allows user to give commands without typing, just by pointing or touching. There are two subcategories of interactive operating systems. First one, graphical user interface. Graphical user interface are visually interfaces in which instead of typing in commands, the user can use a mouse to point and click objects on the screen. The main feature of GUI are windows, icons, menus and pointers, which make these operating systems interactive in nature. This provides GUI interface to facilitate move and easy interaction to the user. Windows, Mac operating system are the examples of such GUI. The GUI operating system that provides graphical interface and allows access to user via mouse or trackpad or trackball are often abbreviated to WIMP. It means WIMP stands for Windows, Icon, Menus and Pointers. WIMP operating systems require much more RAM compared to the command line operating systems. Next thing is touch screen interface. These operating systems are also interactive in nature and provide access via touch on the screen. Touch screen technology allows people to use their fingers to select icons and options straight from the device screen. Modern portable devices such as mobile phones, PDAs, tablets, modern car dashboards, cockpits often use touch screen technology. Key feature of touch screen interface include finger-based gesture apart from touch, which are pinching on the screen, rotating the of screen, swiping on a screen, etc. Some example of operating system that would come with touch screen environment is Windows 8, Windows 10, Android, iOS, etc. Some commonly used operating systems are Linux. Linux is the name of popular computer operating system. It is the most famous example of free software and open source development, as it is not only freely available but also its underlying source code is available to all and anyone can freely openly use it, modify it and redistribute it. The Linux kernel was written originally by a Finnish university student, Linus Torvalds. Linux is one very popular operating system supported by many big manufacturers and vendors. Linux can be downloaded from www.linux.org. Next thing is Windows. Microsoft Windows is the name of several families of graphical user interface operating systems by Microsoft. Microsoft first introduced an operating environment named Windows in November 1985 in response to the growing interest in graphical user interface. Microsoft Windows came to dominate the world's personal computer market, overtaking Mac OS, which has been introduced previously. The most recent client version of Windows is Windows 10. Next thing, BOS operating system. The full form is BOS is Bharat Operating System Solutions. It's one type of Linux. BOS Linux is an Indian distribution of GNU Linux based on Debian. It consists of the Linux operating system kernel, Office application, software suite, Bharti Open Office, Internet access software like Firefox, Thunderbird for email, Pidgin for chat, and file sharing or converter and multimedia applications. The desktop environment and application have been localized to enable the use of Indian languages. Next is Solaris operating system. The Solaris operating system, usually known simply as Solaris, is a pre-Unix based operating system introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1992 as the successor of Sun OS. Next thing is some other operating system are mobile operating system. These days, mobile devices have turned smart, courtesy smart mobile operating systems. Some common mobile operating systems are Android, Apple iOS. In earlier, the basic feature phones, that's a Symbian operating system by Nokia, and some other operating system also comes with the Samsung and other companies. Let's start with working with Windows 10 operating system. After you boot your computer and sign in using a Microsoft account, you see computer desktop screen which contains some system tools icons such as recycle bin, some app shortcuts, folders, files on it. So let us start with recycle bin. This is recycle bin. The figure is shown below. Initially on desktop, there is only icon on the desktop for the recycle bin, which is temporary a storage folder for deleted files, where the deleted files are stored until deleted permanently. Recycle bin is a part of the system since beginning whether any file have been deleted or not. Next thing, taskbar. This is taskbar of Windows 10. The desktop screen also has a bar at its bottom known as taskbar. A taskbar is an important and useful feature as it displays icons for commonly used apps, search box, and the open applications on your computer. This is start button. Clicking on start button displays the start menu. The start menu is launching menu for installed computer programs on your computer and performing other utility tasks. This is search box. Entering a term in the search box will search on your computer and display matching app files and settings stored on your computer. If you search with an active internet connection, relevant online information will get displayed. This is other app icons. Clicking on an app icon on the taskbar opens launches that application. So that's all for today. Thank you.